Top 5 best videos of 2022. Please watch them all. Subscribe to get data solution, like and leave your comment. Project progress tracking system. Automatically generate project progress. Display completion % with different colors. Auto-generate summary table and graph. Gantt chart for project management. Tracks project progress. Generate chart to make informed decision. To view completed and pending activities. Completed activity indicated by green color. Pending activity by orange color. Project planner. Shows planned and actual activities. Plan shown by blue color. Actual indicated by green color. The purpose is to track progress. Employee monthly attrition rate. Automatically generate report. Inform HR to take action and make decision. Alert HR to plan or make replacement. Project budget management. To monitor budget utilization. To support budget utilization, green color good performing, yellow color medium performing and red color poor performing. Try Pictory for free to increase your productivity. Just use the link here. To get more information on this, visit the links indicated here. Thank you and bye.